been a long time coming, but welcome back to my channel. And I couldn't really hold myself because a lot of things were happening. So yeah, that's why I wanted to film a video. So first thing that happened was I met the women's Indian cricket team, which was like the coolest thing ever. Not like met them, I met few of them. I met Jemmy Didi, I met Richa Didi, I met Uma Didi, Radha Didi, and and I met Shifali Didi, which was like so cool. And Jemmy Didi has become my favorite player of all time in cricket, and I watch cricket diligently. But yeah, okay, so the second thing that happened is I'm just going to show you in 1 second. I got a new puppy. Okay, so meet Rosher. He's a Maltipoo. He's a mix of a Maltese and a toy poodle. And I don't know how much he's gonna grow. So yeah, he's so cute. He's 3 months old, by the way. He just turned 3 months yesterday on 29th December. And yeah, his birthday comes on the 29th of September 2025. He's so cute. Not his birthday comes on. He was born on the 29th of September 2025. But his birthday comes on the 29th September. Yeah. And he's so cute. I'll show you his baby pictures and I'll tell you the story how we got him and everything like in detail, because the story is pretty fun, so you guys will enjoy it a lot. Right, Oshi? He's the cutest, isn't he? Look at him. Wait. Look at his face. Look at his face. मैं आप लोगों को कहानी बताती हूँ पूरी. Okay guys, so the story goes like this. पहले तो actually I wanted a second dog. I already have one dog. उसको तो देखा ही होगा vlogs में. His name is Sparky. And I wanted the second puppy because Sparky is mama की पूंछ. So I need somebody to become my पूंछ also. I needed a companion at night, and Sparky loves to sleep with mama. So yeah. So I was begging mama for a second dog. It's been like Papa especially. Mama तो always agrees, but yeah, Papa को मैं कब से 3-4 साल हो गए बोल रही थी. Mama had promised me. I had stopped playing tennis in between, so Mama had promised me if you start playing tennis again when I was like 12 years old. Yeah. So उस time Mama promised me if you start playing tennis again, I'll get you a new puppy. That did not happen. And guess why? Because my mamu convinced my papa not to get another puppy. I know that shouldn't influence his decision, but it did. So yeah, I didn't end up getting the puppy, and I was pretty devastated back then also. And second time भी ऐसे कुछ हुआ था कि my mom promised me a second puppy, but yeah, she didn't get one. So I kind of instigated her, saying कि मतलब my nanu is the one, like my nanu used to love dogs. So he also went like अपने आप ही वो गए मम्मा के साथ. When mama was little, she like both of them went and they just got a new puppy. Okay, and without asking Nani, because Nani doesn't like dogs too much. Like she doesn't like to handle them. She likes them from दूर से, but yeah, उनको handle करना पसंद नहीं है. So हाँ, वो लोग जाके ले आए थे puppy को. So I told my mom कि मम्मा आप तो बिल्कुल भी नानू की तरह हो ही नहीं. Like this was like 1 week before my birthday, 18th birthday, and I really wanted. I was like expecting a puppy so bad for my birthday कि मतलब मैं सपने देख रही थी literally. But yeah, that day I told, I think मम्मा उसी बात से, and पापा कब से ना ही बोली जा रहे हैं. जिस दिन हम इसको लाए भी, उस दिन भी पापा ने सुबह ना बोला था. हम इसको मैं उसके बाद मैंने मम्मा को बोला कि मम्मा आप तो नानू की तरह हो ही नहीं बिल्कुल भी. आई थिंक मम्मा उससे थोड़ा इंस्टिगेट हो गई थी, थोड़ा पुश हो गई थी उस पर कि हाँ आई एम लाइक माई थिंग पापा, सो आई शुड डू दिस, आई शुड गेट अ लिटिल टॉय लाइक दिस cutie patootie. So guess what guys, we ended up just getting up the bed, I was showing mama some pictures, and we got up and we just went and got this little guy. We just went, and पापा ने उसी सुबह मना भी किया था कि you're not getting a dog and you're not getting a second dog. But guess what, guys? He's here. And Papa was in Calcutta that time. So yeah, Papa ko pata nahi tha, and in the evening, like, we weren't supposed to send him any videos or anything before, just like before he came. We were supposed to obviously surprise him when he came back home. But we thought that was going to be a bad idea. तो हाँ, तो हमने ना रात को पापा को एक मैसेज भेजा with the video, and रोशन पूरा अपना cuteness दिखाया था. He was like chasing his tail, so it was like a pretty cute video. So we told Papa कि Papa, meet your new son, and we sent him this little guy's video, and Papa didn't say anything. But yeah, Mama told him to keep calm. So 2 दिन था उनको cool down करने के लिए. So he cooled down and then he came back, and कोई झगड़ा नहीं हुआ, thankfully. But yeah, that was the story of how we got Roshar. Right, Roshi? So this is the story of how we got Roshar. And yeah, I got like 18 gifts for my 18th birthday, so he's one of them. And rest gifts, maybe in another video I'll show you guys. But yeah, I couldn't control myself and I really wanted to show you Roshar, so yeah. And he has been a really good addition, because after like what happened, I needed some support. So yeah, my friend, my like very close friend, she went and bought his sister also. So yeah, we have family now. है ना Rashi? We got them to meet like Roshar and his sister. His sister's name is Princess. उसकी भी मैं photo डाल दूँगी if my friend allows. I'll ask her once कि उसकी photo डाल दूँ या नहीं. तो हाँ, उसकी भी photo मैं डाल दूँगी. And yeah, Princess is the older sister, and Roshi is थोड़ा सा छोटा. And हाँ, size variation होती है. So हाँ, बस Roshar छोटा है. मतलब size में भी छोटा है वो. And they look pretty different, but yeah, they're from the same litter. There were like 4 puppies. So I think there were 3 brothers and 1 sister. Princess is the odd one out. And she's also adorable. अभी हम दोनों को वैक्सीनेशन के लिए लेके गए थे साथ में, so उन दोनों ने वहाँ पे भी मस्ती की थोड़ी बहुत, खिली की. So cute. And yeah, guys, we are not neglecting Sparky. Sparky has been treated like very well also. He's been going to the tennis court with my mom every other day. So yeah, he's getting a lot of love from the children out there. And Roshi is getting a lot of love at home, and Sparky is also getting a lot of love at home. So yeah, he's not getting neglected. I would have loved to film like जब वो घर पे जब हम उसको लेने गए थे and everything, but I didn't want to break my promise, but I already did. Too late. I'm sorry guys. मैं पहले वो film नहीं कर पाई. I would have loved to film that, and then I would have loved to film thing also, like meeting the cricket player, the female cricketers after they won the World Cup. That win was like pretty life changing for me, because after whatever happened, मुझे थोड़ा inspiration मिला उनसे कि just get up and do stuff. Otherwise तो I was not in a very good state. But yeah, now I'm better. Now I'm better because I have this little guy. He's so cute. Just look at him. He's biting me. Wait. Third best thing that happened. So we went to Bangalore to watch the international tennis players also. उसकी कहानी तो बिल्कुल ही अलग है. We booked the tickets one night before. I wish I could film that also, like the whole journey. It was like so incredible. But yeah, हम गए थे बैंगलोर WTL देखने, वर्ल्ड टेनिस लीग. एंड जब हम वहाँ गए थे, हमारा तो बहुत ही अच्छा वो सफ़र रहा, ट्रिप, because my brother got to like meet Medvedev, and he got to get his autograph and a photo with him, because he was practicing right behind the stadium जहाँ पे वो लोग खेल रहे थे. उसके बिल्कुल पीछे ही था practice court, so he was practicing there. Then Magdalena also was practicing there. My brother got a photo with him the first day, Daniil Medvedev. नेक्स्ट डे वी वेंट फॉर द प्रैक्टिस. आई एम नॉट गोना टेल कैसे पता चला कि कितने बजे वो लोग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे, बट या वी हैव कनेक्शन. सो we got to know what time they were practicing, and we went and saw everybody practice, like Paula Badosa, Nick Kyrgios, Magda Linette. We saw her practice later. We saw Marta Kostyuk practice, then we saw Marta Kostyuk और कौन था, पॉला बडोसा थी. आई थिंक मैंने पहले बोल दिया. देन एलिना स्विटोलिना, गेल मोफीज. देन वी सॉ माया also, like the up and coming Indian tennis player, women's men. So, and yeah, she plays pretty well. So I would give like a big round of applause to her because she plays really well. And yeah, उसके बाद we actually got autographs from Paula Badosa, Nick Kyrgios, Rohan Bopanna also we saw, and my brother actually met him. Like जब वो जा रहे थे तब he met him. And और कौन कौन था, ओह हाँ, बस यही तो थे सब. Okay, so like in the afternoon we went around 12. We went around 12ish. We went around 11ish. उनका practice was going to start at 12:30. So yeah, हम वहाँ पे जाके बैठ गए थे. We saw obviously them practicing, but yeah, Paula Badosa, she came and like we called her this side, and हमने उनके साथ फ़ोटो खिंचवाई. And वो फ़ोटो की पिक्चर मैं इस तरफ डाल देती हूँ, आप देख लेना. And yeah, उसके बाद like my brother was calling Nick Kyrgios, but he wasn't coming because I think both of them were sick, like Badosa and Nick both were sick at that time. So maybe because of the high altitude in Bangalore, इसलिए थोड़ा उनकी तबीयत ख़राब हो गई. So the manager, somebody, like he came up to us and he said कि they're sick, so they won't come. So they took our notebooks and we got it signed by both of them, Badosa and Kyrgios. And yeah, that's the autographs that I got. And then I got Bopanna's autograph also. And then we saw Nick Kyrgios practice again in the evening, just before they went on to the court. And yeah, उसके बाद हम कोर्ट पे, मतलब हमने कोर्ट पे स्विटोलिना उन सबको देखा. I really wanted Marta Kostyuk's autograph. I was calling her so many times. I don't think people know her that well because people know Nick Kyrgios, Paula Badosa, but I don't think people know Marta Kostyuk that well, or Magda Linette. So in India especially. So yeah, I was calling Kostyuk. She didn't hear it, but that's okay, I guess. But after that, we went and stood outside the players' lounge. So while Marta Kostyuk was coming out, I requested her for an autograph, and she was so sweet, like, and she gave it to me also. And then her coach started like playing with the stray dog, which is like so cute. And my brother like told them best of luck for the Australian Open because Marta Kostyuk is a really, really, really amazing tennis player. And people like, I don't know, उनको दिखता नहीं है या कुछ, but yeah, she's an amazing tennis player. Maybe Indians I don't think follow tennis too much like that, like we do. So yeah. And then who else did we see coming out? Oh yeah, we saw Medvedev come out also. Then we saw Magda Linette. When we saw Magda Linette come out, we requested her for an autograph. Like so I think her coach came and he asked me, do you want an autograph? I said yes, I want Magda Linette's autograph. So he called out to Magda, and yeah, she came to me and she said, so yeah, exactly, sorry, दीदी जूस देने आई थी. So yeah, she came and like she said so sweet, because I don't think ज़्यादा लोग मांग रहे थे. I know who Magda Linette is because yeah, she's, first of all, she's Polish. Second of all, she's very close, like she's good friends with Iga. Third of all, I've seen her play like against Sabalenka and all, and she plays amazing tennis. I know how amazing she plays. People don't watch her matches, but that's okay. I watch it. No, that's what matters. So yeah, I got her autograph and she gave me a little heart, and which is so cute. And then Kyrgios came out. My brother got a photo with him also, and we were like standing right next to him. My mom really wanted a photo for us, like with Kyrgios. So yeah, that also happened. My brother cut me off in the photo because मैं पीछे खड़ी हो गई, and मैं नहीं आई थी photo में. But I'll just still, actually no, I won't put that photo because my brother will kill me if I do. So yeah, my brother got a photo with Daniel Medvedev, Kyrgios, and then yeah, this is the funniest story on this planet. हमें टैक्सी नहीं मिल रही थी in the evening, and वहाँ पे अंधेरा हो गया था. So we went inside and we sat with the bodyguard because हमें डर लग रहा था, वहाँ पे अंधेरा था. So yeah, we went and sat inside with the bodyguards, and we were sitting like लाचार बच्चे जिनके पास घर नहीं है जाने को. And Bopana came out, like he came out of the players' lounge, and he saw us sitting there, and I felt so embarrassed कि मेरा room Bopana just saw us sitting here like लाचार बच्चे कि हमारे पास कहीं है नहीं जाने को. And उसके बाद my brother got a photo with him that time. And yeah, it was like pretty funny. But yeah, after that we got a taxi. Like the guards or the bodyguards, they were very helpful. And yeah, they helped us like catch a taxi and everything. So yeah, that was pretty sweet of them. So this is like the few amazing 3 moments in 2025. I would say like a recap of this year. Except half of my year didn't go that well, but yeah, second half of the year it went pretty well. And I got this little guy. He's so naughty. He's pretty energetic, guys. अच्छा मैं आपको थोड़ा उसको खेलना का दिखाती हूँ. ये 3 चीज़ें मेरे साथ इस साल बहुत अच्छी हुई थी. And these are like the most fun experiences. I wish I could record them, but I didn't end up recording them. I'm really sorry for that. But yeah, then this is the best one. I said you're the best gift ever. What is the problem? Should we say bye? Should we say bye? Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe कर दो, subscribe करना मत भूलना, and like this video, and comment down below if you love Rashi. He's so cute. Rashi, do you want to say bye? Okay guys, bye bye.